guys, it's Miss Goldman again. We are going to start our lesson on Module 5 of Eureka, Lesson 2. Again, this is a recording in case you missed the live version of me teaching this earlier today. Again, if you need to pause me at any time, if I'm going too fast, you can. Again, for parents, this is Lesson 2. If you are deciding to print it out, also please remember that you are doing this on a Google Doc, so some of the pictures may not have shown up. So you may need to draw them in, or I will post them in a PDF version for you. Parents, again, if you are printing this out, only print out one lesson at a time, as to not waste paper. And if you are doing it that way, please remember to send me pictures of your work as you are doing it. And we are about to begin. So, Eureka, Module 5, Lesson 2. So the first question says, circle the strips that are folded to make equal parts. So you can see I already did the first one for us. I found one, and we can see those pieces. They're all the same size. Now it's going to be your turn to find any others. I'm going to give you some time, but again, you can also just pause me if I'm going too fast. All right, and we're going on to see the answers, which is just one extra one. As you can see, these ones are equal again. In this one, we have small and big, and here small and big. Let's go to the next problem. As you can see, I accidentally cut off on the screen the question, but what we are going to do is find the total equal number of parts and the number of shaded parts. So we can see I did the first one. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts, and 2 of them are shaded. So now it's going to be your job to solve B. So you're solving B, C, and D right now. Give yourself some time to work on it. I'm going to be quiet now while you work on it, and again, if I'm going too fast and you're not done, you can pause this. All right, we're going to go over the answers now. And as you can see, for B, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal parts in all. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are shaded. In C, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 equal parts. And 1, 2, 3 are shaded. In D, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 equal parts in all, and 0 are shaded. Now we're going to go to the next problem. If you're not done filling these out, just pause again. So this next one says, use your fraction strips as tools to help solve the following problems. Noah, Pedro, and Sharon share a whole candy bar fairly. Which of your fraction strips shows how to get an equal part? Draw the candy bar below. Then label Sharon's fraction of the candy bar. So as you can see, I'm giving you right now a candy bar that I want you to do this off of. Could the candy bar be bigger? Yes, it could, but this is the one that I'm having us do for right now. So I'm going to give you some time to figure out this. Remember, it needs to be equal. You need to label Sharon's fraction and actually try to label everybody if you're able to. And I'm going to be going on to the next slide. Again, if I'm going too fast, just pause. So over here, you can see I have Noah, Pedro, Sharon. Noah, Pedro, Sharon. I labeled it that way. And then I colored in Sharon's pieces. And you can also add in, nope, this is 1, 6, 1, 6, 1, 6, 1, 6, 1, 6, and 1, 6. That would be the other part of labeling them. And then I wrote in the sentence 2, everyone will get 2 pieces of the candy bar. Sharon will receive 2 6 of the candy bar because 1 plus 1 equals 2. So that's how we have this one and this one. Now we're going on to the last question. As you can see, I did the first part for us. You will be doing the second part. So the question is, to make a garage for his toy truck, Zeno bends a rectangular piece of cardboard in half. He then bends each half in half again. Which of your fraction strips best matches the story? So it says, what fraction of the original cardboard is each part? Draw and label the matching fraction strip below. So I drew a fraction strip, and as you can see, this fraction strip and this fraction strip, the rectangles, they are the same exact size because all I did was copy and paste them. And I cut it into 4 pieces because half and then another half. And I wrote a sentence, the cardboard has been cut into 4ths. So now you're going to be solving this one down here. Zeno bends a different piece of cardboard into thirds. He then bends each third in half again. Which of your fraction strips best matches this story? Draw and label the matching fraction strip in the space below. I'm going to give you some time. Again, you can pause me, that's fine. All right, and I'm going to show us the answer. Now, so as you can see, I have the same rectangle as earlier, and I cut it into thirds originally. Here's my thirds, and then cutting it in half to each one. So it's 1, 1, 6, 1, 6, 1, 6, 1, 6, 1, 6, 1, 6. So I wrote the cardboard has been cut into 6. All right, so that's actually the end of lesson 2. So now you need to work on the lesson 2 homework since we just did this together. You also can be going on to iExcel and Zern as well. I've also uploaded as an extra new program for you, Happy Numbers, which is a fun program. All of the different programs that we can be going on are under materials that can be used. And those are all the different websites that we've been using this year and some new ones. If you do not know your username or password to anything, feel free to send me a message and I will be happy to give you your username and password. Again, this was lesson 2 of Eureka. Tomorrow we will be doing lesson 3. I hope you can come live or just rewatch it here. And maybe even do both. Give yourself an extra refresher. I'm hoping you're having a good second day of virtual teaching. And stay smart. I will see you later for the rest of our lessons. Bye!